Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Fun or Learn with Pallavi. I hope you all had a wonderful celebration for Janmashtami. I hope you enjoyed and had lots of fun and masti. And I wish you all a very happy Janmashtami once again, and I pray for your good health and happiness. So by the end of this beautiful festival, you may think that my Janmashtami series will also come to an end, but it's not like that. For me, festivals and celebration is not just only for one day, it's for the whole year. I love to have any function, any celebration. I love to do masti and be happy all the time. So I'll be keep posting some or the other stories of Lord Krishna as well as some or the other craft related to that story. So for that you have to stay with me and you have to like my videos and you have to subscribe to my channel and keep inspiring me so that I post the videos for you. And also in my previous video I shared that I would be giving you a surprise and the time is here to reveal the surprise. So you have to watch this video till the end to know what the surprise I was talking about. So let's watch. So, how is it? I hope you all enjoyed it. So, see, I just taught you a simple and a very easy jhula. But then what I said in my few previous videos that I would be teaching you a very simple basic structure. Now you have to put on your ideas, your creativity and make it more beautiful and more colorful. Even I also never thought that I would be creating such a beautiful jhula, but somehow my thoughts, my creativity and availability of the raw materials made me do such a beautiful jhula. I hope you all enjoyed my surprise. Even I made a little bansuri, a little flute for my Lord Krishna, and I would be maybe in some other videos I would be giving the tutorial of that bansuri as well. And you know, this year was the first year when I celebrated this Janmashtami and I had lots of fun. I enjoyed and I am basically, it gave me a lots of happiness and I'm very happy. The reason, if you want to know, is the reason is that I made all the things on my own with my efforts, with my love for Lord Krishna, and that gave me so much happiness. I was so excited to make that beautiful jhula, the mukut, the matka, the bansuri and all the flower decorations. I made it, and like sometimes we order things from outside, we buy things, all those machine made things, and we buy it for our lot. But from my experience, I will say all of you that try to make things, sometimes, not always, but sometimes try to make things on your own, and trust me, it will give you lots of happiness. You will be so much happy because you gave your efforts, you gave your love to create such a beautiful thing, and on the day of celebration everyone loved it, everyone enjoyed it, and everyone loved to see the way you are celebrating. That's what I feel like is the greatest achievement. And I will say all of you that you too can try this, and all the videos are up there, and I hope you all loved my surprise. And many people asked me that whether I am selling it or not, selling the chula or maybe the matka. So yes, if you want me to make it for you, then you are most welcome. I would be glad, I would be very happy to recreate a new design for you. To contact me, you need to check my Facebook and Instagram page. You need to like my pages, and also please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified for my next surprise in the next video, and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye and see you soon.